Hello guys, this is Shivam. In today's video, I'm going to show you an a application which is called as Tracker app, in which we will track the information about our employees, like at this time they have checked into the office, at this time they have checked out from the office, and at this time they have gone for lunch, and at this time they have came back from the lunch. So let's get started. So I have the credentials of my employees here, and I will go with here using login. So start. So it's showing me, it shows me as it is showing that my current location is Mahatma Gandhi Mark, Lucknow, UP. So I will update my office location as the same of this, and the distance is 0 kilometer from my office location as my current location. Now we have all these buttons are these three buttons are enabled. Once I clicked on check-in, it will fetch the current time of my system, and it will update it here like this. Like the time is 11:07, and the 11:07 is updated in the check-in time. After checking, you can't go for lunch in. Once you clicked on lunch out, then the lunch in button is automatically enabled. After you clicked on lunch in, it will fetch the time, and then you can click on checkout for the checking out from the office. And if you update your location to anywhere else, then and if the distance is more than 0 kilometer, then all the buttons will be disabled automatically. If you want to reset everything, you just need to click on reset button, and everything will be resetted. If I click on this, it will be logged me out from this system. I will show you how it is bug. So I have logged out from my system. Now I will show you the login employer part. I will log in using my employer credentials now, and the employer can see at which time which employee has came to office, at which time they have gone for lunch, and at which time they have came back from the lunch. So let's start it. So we have here the time, today's date. You as I have the employee ID as employee email ID as abc@gmail.com. So I will find it by the date, like today is 30. So we have the updated time, like check-in was done at 11:07, lunch out was done at 11:07, lunch in was done at 11:07, and checkout was also done as 11:07. You can also, in this we can also search using the email. Like I have entered SHU, then it will be showing me the every email which is started with the SHU, and their details, at which date they have logged in, with the check-in time, check-out time, lunch-in time, and lunch out time. Everything will be available here, so the employer can easily see which employees is available on which date. Either if he is on leave, the details will not be available here, and if the employee is on working, then he can get the access from here. And if I click on this button, then it will be logged me out and take me to the login again. So I will show you this also. That's all our whole system. Thank you.